Want your t-shirt designs to have a unique texture? Dream of combining regular prints with dazzling emblems? Today, we'll show you how to create stunning hybrid designs by combining basic DTG printing with various HTV effects in the PODpartner designer. First, select the type of clothing you want to design. After entering the designer, click on DTG printing and upload a background picture you want. This will be a DTG pattern directly printed on the clothing. Make sure the resolution of the picture is high enough. Adjust it to the appropriate position and size as the base layer of our design. Now, upload the design element you want to present with HTV material. After the upload is completed, you will be able to see a rich selection of HTV material options. We offer a wide range of high-quality transfer films for you, including premium matte, sparkle, glitter, metallic, velvet, glow, and more. You can freely choose your favorite material and color effect according to your design theme, and the moment you select it, you will immediately see the visual preview of the design element change synchronously. At PODpartner, these HTVs are not ordinary inks, but special material films with hot melt adhesive. They are attached to clothes by heat pressing, with outstanding texture and extra durability. Finally, move and adjust your HTV elements just like you would with regular layers, aligning them perfectly on top of the DTG base image. This combination allows you to enjoy both the rich color details of DTG and the unique three-dimensional texture of HTV. Look, this is the final effect. By combining DTG and HTV, you can break through the limitations of a single printing technology and create custom clothing with rich layers and unique textures. Creativity goes beyond imagination. Hurry up and start designing.